The income tax return is a written declaration of your income situation, used to calculate the amount of tax you must pay or to determine whether you are entitled to a refund. A tax advisor can help you take advantage of any tax refunds that may be available. In Germany, there are two types of taxable private individuals: those who are assessed on application and those who are compulsorily assessed. If you are assessed on application, you are not obliged to submit an income tax return, which generally applies if you are only an employee. Submitting a tax return to the tax office in your hometown constitutes an application for assessment. If you have other sources of income as an employee, such as rental income or other earnings, you switch to compulsory assessment, where the tax office requires you to submit the tax return promptly. Employees often switch to compulsory assessment if they receive or have received short-time working allowance, unemployment benefit, maternity benefit, or if they are single parents. Although these benefits are generally tax-free, they increase your tax burden due to the progression clause, which means you usually face a higher tax rate on your taxable income than if you had not received such tax-free income replacement benefits. The purpose of compulsory assessment in these cases is to ensure that your taxes are calculated correctly, so you neither pay too much nor too little tax. The tax office wants to ensure you take advantage of the right tax benefits and that your tax burden is accurately calculated to avoid additional payments or repayments. Tax advisors prepare all tax returns based on the standard statutory fees set out in the German Tax Advisor Remuneration Ordinance, with only additional work charged separately on an hourly basis, offering specialized services at competitive conditions. If there is no reason for mandatory assessment, the regular assessment period of 4 years applies, allowing you to submit returns for the last 4 years together. For example, 2019 to 2022 by December 31st, 2023. Submission deadlines for those obliged to file differ and can vary yearly, so it is important to check current deadlines. The deadline for submitting income tax returns is the following year. For instance, the deadline for the 2022 income tax return is October 2nd, 2023 for non-tax advised persons. While for those with a tax advisor, the deadline extends to July 31st, 2024, giving them considerably more time to submit their returns. Do you need support with your income tax? Our team will be happy to help you. Feel free to contact us for a non-binding offer.